Most people think their Target gift card is empty the moment it gets declined. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many Target gift card errors are caused by activation problems, app glitches, or security checks that can actually be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly why your Target gift card may be getting declined, the fastest fixes that work, and the one mistake that can make recovering your balance much harder. Stay until the end, because I'll also explain what to do if your gift card balance suddenly disappears. First, let's get straight to the biggest reason Target gift cards fail. The card was never activated properly at checkout. This happens more often than people realize. Jake bought a Target gift card from a grocery store, tried using it later that day, and it kept getting declined. The issue was not the card itself. The cashier forgot to activate it correctly during purchase. So here's the first thing you should do. Check the balance online or inside the Target app. If the balance shows 0 or unavailable right after purchase, you may need the original receipt to prove activation failed. But here's the problem. Many users throw away the receipt immediately. This is where most people fail. Without proof of purchase, Target support may have trouble verifying ownership. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue is not the card at all. It's the payment method combination during checkout. For example, if your purchase total is higher than the gift card balance, the transaction may decline unless you split the payment correctly. Alex had a $50 gift card, but tried buying a $60 item online without adding a backup payment method. The system rejected the entire transaction even though the gift card still had money on it. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest fix for online Target gift card errors. But first, let's talk about app and browser problems. If you are shopping online, clear your browser cache or restart the Target app completely. Temporary glitches can stop the gift card from processing properly. Also double-check the card number and access code carefully. One wrong digit can trigger a decline message instantly. Another major issue in 2026 is gift card fraud. If someone gains access to your card number and PIN, they can drain the balance before you even use it. This is why you should never share photos of the back of your gift card online. Now here's the important part. If your balance disappeared unexpectedly, contact Target support immediately and provide the card number, receipt, and transaction details. The faster you report it, the better your chances of recovering the funds. So to recap, verify the card was activated, keep the receipt, check the balance online, split payments properly, and avoid sharing your card details with anyone. If this video helped you fix your Target gift card problem, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which issue you were facing and which fix worked for you.